How to sign out of Google account remotely on all devices. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to sign out of Google account remotely on all devices. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for myaccount.google.com. In the interface that you will be led to, tap on the security option on the top. Now scroll down until you find the Your Devices tab and tap on the Manage All Devices option. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see all the devices that you are signed in to or have been in the last 28 days. So scroll down again and tap on the option that you want to sign out of. Now tap on the sign out option you see there, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on sign out again, and with this you will be signed out of Google account remotely. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.